Hi guys, it's BriannaRenee, and the video you're about to watch is actually from like a year ago. It was on my main channel for like a couple days, and then I took it down because I didn't get enough views, which is so stupid. I should not have taken it down for that reason because I genuinely love this video and I think it's so funny. It's also still very relevant because even though it's been a year, that is the last time I've driven. I don't even know how to say the word, don't know how to drive, don't know how to say it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video because it was really fun. But yeah, my hair is longer, I look a little different, but it's still a really good video and you should watch it. So okay, I'll let you watch that now. Hi guys, so as you guys know, I'm good at a lot of things. But one thing—
Do not start like that.
What?
As you guys know, I'm amazing.
One thing I'm not good at is driving. My parents are too scared to drive with me, so I have brought some friends who are gonna teach me how to drive, and I thought it might make a good video.
So face it, we're all gonna die.
So I have to put on my glasses because I'm blind and I don't want to kill my friends. The skinny one is go, right? And the fat one's brake.
Come on.
I'm dead serious.
No.
Is it the opposite?
You're—
I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know. I've adjusted the mirror so I can see myself. Okay, wait. So I adjust this to see the back window. Oh, I only see Chloe's face. Is that okay?
Yes, we're starting in a parking lot. You should be fine. Okay.
So I should put my foot on the brake and then turn the car on.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, do you know where the gear shift is?
The Prindle.
I am the Mr. Mosby.
The Prindle?
The what?
Are we ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
That was a bit tricky.
Oh, I forgot to mention, we're starting off in a parking lot because I don't think I'm ready for the road yet. I'm gonna do like a circle.
Yeah. Ooh, fun.
Oh, I'm going too fast.
Get in there. Okay, and yep, you're in the other lane. Nope, that's not how you drive. Nope, this isn't how you do it.
That's not how you do it? I thought I was doing it right.
Turn.
Oh my goodness, we're going to the forest.
Okay, you see how it says a stop sign?
Yeah.
That's
So I
because they have the
stop?
right of way.
Yeah,
That's typically.
Yeah. Keeps going.
Oh, I'm like real close to the building.
No,
Wait. Oh, watch out for the dog. Watch out for the dog.
Oh my gosh, stop. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I'm looking in the mirror, I see Chloe, but I don't see anyone else. So,
That
oh,
works.
there's a car doing a thing in the back.
see, look, that's what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, they're
that's
just
what I
just
wanna do.
leaving. Okay,
Stole
so
my move.
okay, wide. You're getting it.
We're going right in the middle of two parking spots. Perfect.
Yep, there's no line. You've got a huge start. This
I know.
should be easy. And there
Switch
you
up.
go.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, close. Oh.
No, I did good. I think I did good. I think I nailed it.
Yeah. You know what? I see the line.
It's not bad.
Not?
It's not bad. I did good. Should we do it one more time?
Yeah. Try it.
Okay. Look at me. You already know. I know.
Okay. It's like a roller coaster ride.
The jerky. Okay, I think this one's pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, this one's good.
Oh, I did so
That was really good.
It took 6 tries.
And going straight into it, but it's fine. Honestly, that wasn't bad.
I know. Oh my gosh. There's so many people.
Oh,
Oh, look at those tricks.
jump. Oh, that goes too.
Ooh.
Yeah.
This one, ready?
Oh, that was the best
one.
curve.
Dips on that one.
The yellow helmet, you can have them. So this is the other car's lane,
I don't care.
but it's okay.
Both ways?
Oh,
Keep forgetting about that. I just kind of assume everyone's gonna move out of my way, you know?
and now.
Just don't run into the other parking spots. It doesn't
Okay.
count.
And now. There you go. Got
Oh
you.
my god.
Yep.
Oh my god.
You go in very quick.
How is it?
I don't think I did good.
No.
There's no line.
So I
Okay.
want to do it this
I
way.
just go forward. just go forward. Right. We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
I'm sorry.
Well, parking just might not be your thing.
Yeah, I think driving's more my thing.
Parking is kind of hard when you're like 16 learning how to drive.
Okay, so we are in a new place where it's basically a place where people learn how to parallel park, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So wait, am I driving away from the pylons?
Beside the pylons.
I'll try. I
Like
don't
align the car with the pylon.
You put your back end parallel with that pylon there. Like the
So
furthest
I
away.
keep driving forward.
Keep driving forward until like that pylon is.
But don't go
At
out
the-
that way.
Oh, I'm doing
Stop.
fast.
Well, maybe do a loop and then like
Okay.
pull up right next to the pylons.
Right beside them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Good?
And stop.
Don't
Don't
reverse.
move. Don't move.
I have to reverse.
But yeah, put it in reverse. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, so now you're gonna cut your wheel. Back up slowly
Very slow.
so your tail end moves in.
Yes. So now you're going in the direction.
And now maybe straighten out. And now you can probably cut your wheel to the right.
other side.
It's gonna hit the curb.
It is.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, I
There's
almost
the
got the curve.
There's the curb.
I didn't feel it.
Boom. I didn't feel it.
Cut your wheel all the way right.
Right. And you're just gonna straighten yourself out in this.
All the way to the right?
Yep.
Well, this goes on forever.
And you're gonna try to pull yourself in, but just don't go too far. And stop. Now just back up.
So you're in the middle.
And stop.
Oh!
Wow!
Did I do it? That is so good!
That's perfect.
Oh my god, my first try? Oh my gosh, she can drive!
That was very impressive. After what we just went through in the parking lot.
Yeah, like I really didn't think you were getting that.
What's next?
A deserted street.
Let's go through a drive-thru.
You hungry?
Are you guys hungry?
Honestly, yeah, I'm pretty starving.
Okay, where do we want to go? I'll take us there.
That's a lot of street.
Yeah.
Cars.
That's like Regent Street, like up a hill, like.
I want a Frosty, so let's go to
I
Wendy's.
like Wendy's too.
Okay, I'm down. Wait, are you taking us there?
Oh jeez.
Like, this is where I'm scared.
Help us, God.
I actually don't know how to even get there.
Oh.
What? Did I do something wrong?
Nope.
Okay.
You're just in the middle of the road.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, can I get a small Frosty?
Chocolate or vanilla?
I'll have chocolate. What do you want?
Can I serve it?
No, there's a few more. 1 second.
Stop.
She's on the
Okay, go.
Another small chocolate Frosty. These are all one order, by the way.
Okay.
And a spicy snack wrap. And another spicy chicken wrap.
Be 10-10.
Okay, thank you.
You're on the curb, so you need to get off the curb.
I know.
Yeah, I know. You cut really hard that way. Really hard. Oh, there you go. Oh, no. Get in. I wish we had this on video. Okay, stop.
I think this is gonna be not stressful. But those guys are like, what the?
Yeah, those guys behind us saw we were on the curb.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Oh my god, this is the most stressful thing I've ever done in my life. My
Wait,
wheel, do I need to
why
straighten
would
my
you
wheel
push-
up?
Why-
Do I straighten my wheel up? Tell me what to do.
Are you straight? We don't know. Just inch up a little. Yeah, straight. There you go. Okay. Watch you put your window up.
I'm scared.
I know.
Hello there.
Hi.
There you go.
Thank you.
There you go.
You're so far.
Oh, I need to
This
wax
is
the
good.
sauce.
Can I have thank you?
Sriracha sauce.
Sriracha, yeah.
I just like jump out of the window to
There
say
you go.
that. Thank you.
Have a date.
Oh
Okay,
my
that's
god, that was so much worse than I thought it would be.
Yeah, that was the worst part so far. I was genuinely scared.
Yeah, me too.
Can parallel park can't go through drive-through.
I wouldn't even say you can parallel park.
I can! Don't take that away from me.
Oh my god.
So close. It scares me every time.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys could tell how bad that drive-through situation was, but it was pretty bad. It was bad. So because of that, we decided to step up safety measures a little bit. We got some helmets, and you guys feeling better now?
No.
No, I got this. I got
Maybe a
this.
little prayer before we go.
The car's already on.
Good start. Good start.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, yeah, we're on like
Main
real
roads.
roads now.
Moving up, moving up. Even though
I
you should be
know.
moving down.
Just you don't want them like
Okay,
right behind
ready?
you. Just make sure
Ready.
you look
And-
both ways before you pull onto the street. Oh. What are you doing?
You wanna go over there? No,
Press gas! Press gas! No, free! Press the gas! There you go. Okay, stop.
You told me I had to go there.
Around.
I didn't know that.
Okay,
no.
you need to stay on the right side of the road.
There's a car coming and you were flying.
Oh my god.
I thought I was doing
Okay,
the right thing.
we need to explain what just happened for those of you who didn't see the road. So Bree pulls onto the road. There's like a little like divider in the road. She starts pulling down the left side of the divider, and there's a car coming straight at us.
Sign. See that sign?
Yeah.
It says go that way.
That was maybe one of the scariest moments in a car for me.
Flying. If it could have flew right into us.
We went maybe 2 feet onto the road.
I thought I was doing what you told me to do.
Cover.
No, until you just explained it, I didn't even know what I did wrong.
Okay.
Good. Oh, this is nervous.
Okay.
This is nervous.
It's right here, it's nervous.
Oh, okay, I'm doing bad.
Yes, no, you're good. You're good. Okay, we're on the street now.
We're on the street now.
Okay.
Where am I going? What is this?
This is a speed bump, so you gotta slow down like on your street. No, not speed up.
I didn't.
I literally said slow down, I felt like,
Okay, am I gonna turn here or what am I?
You can keep going straight.
You can go straight. There's like a big truck. It's kind of
No, it's good.
Oh.
Go around it.
Wait, do I stop here? or
No,
I have the right of way. I have the right of way. I know that. There's okay. I swerve around this truck.
Yeah, you gotta go like in the middle. Just make sure there's no cars.
This is the only time
like,
you're allowed in the middle of the road.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, you're good. Yep.
This is the end.
I'm like laser focused right now.
We're also going 20 miles per hour.
Shut up.
Like, it's bad when you don't even have to slow down to go over the speed bumps because you're already going slow enough.
Would you like me to go faster?
No.
That's what I
I
thought.
really don't think you should.
It's a nice drive.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got a car behind you now? So
Speed it up. Oh my god, he is
Yeah,
tailing
speed
you
it up.
so hard.
Speed it up,
Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Drive faster.
50.
Come on,
You're
push
at
the gas.
35.
Push the gas. Push
40.
the gas.
45.
He is on your butt.
Almost at 50.
Oh my gosh, why is he so on my butt? Get off
You're
my
going
butt.
30.
Drive. It's illegal to drive under the speed limit.
I don't like him being behind me.
Pull over just a little tiny bit. No.
No, put your blinker on. Put your blinker on. Blinker.
Okay, so you almost went up on the curb.
And you had to put your. You can't just pull over and like stop without blinking. You have to let
Yeah,
them know what
you
you're
do.
doing. This is getting really a lot. My
The
blood
main
pressure's
road's up
rising.
there, and you're definitely not ready for the main road.
No. Okay, I say we wrap it up. I'm shutting the car off. Can I
Are
do
you in
that?
park?
right
Are you in park?
I'm not.
Are
in
you
park.
blinking? You're still not blinking.
Wait, I have to be blinking right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have decided to end the video here because I don't feel safe and they don't feel safe. And I'm thinking that maybe I should just like Uber for the rest of my life. I don't think driving is in the books for me. That is why I've not gotten my license yet, because I know I'm not good at it and I don't like doing things I'm not good at.
Says the girl who's an expert at parallel parking.
I'm really good at parallel parking. I stand behind that. It's just like,
Normally it's the opposite.
Yeah, I think you're the worst driver I know.
Yeah.
And that says a lot.
But am I the best YouTuber, you know?
You're the only YouTuber I know.
True. Okay, guys, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at @BriannaRenee. You guys can shout yourselves out too if you'd like.
At Mads_Burt.
At KoiPaul_.
But mostly at @BriannaRenee, and I will see you guys next time with a brand new video that's a little more safe. Bye!
By safe, do you mean like bungee jumping or like skydiving?
I'm so insulted by that.